What's the meaning of cohabitation? Cohabitation. Cohabitation.
Cohabitation. Cohabitation. Cohabitation refers to living together in a romantic relationship without being married.
It involves two individuals sharing living space, resources, and daily life routines.
Cohabitation can result in either a stable long-term relationship or a temporary arrangement that eventually leads to marriage or separation.
The decision to cohabit may depend on cultural and personal beliefs, financial stability, and readiness for commitment. Cohabitation can have both advantages and disadvantages, such as increased intimacy, reduced expenses, and potential legal complications in case of separation.